Hi guys and welcome back. So we had plastering last night. He's bonded out this section over here. He's going to come back tonight and actually plaster it. So I'm going to carry on this wall over here. I'm actually going to get the wall units up. He's just going to plaster the section in between the two units. Problem with the mains water feed is we're going to move that over. We've got a plumber coming in tonight. He's going to move all that section, all that pipe work over. So that's all good, we're all happy with that. I'm going to start by getting this tall larder housing in and the panels on it. That'll set the level for all my wall units, so I can get that round. So we've got some solutions. Let's get on with it. So when I fit my wall units, I like to go along, get all my brackets all up first. Then I can just go along and hook all my units on in one go. Find it a lot easier. So the way I go about measuring up my wall units is measure up my 720, which is the same distance as these units. Do the same on both sides. Then I've just got to wind my legs up until my laser line touches my pencil line. We know we're all good. now I've got that larder housing all fitted, that's going to determine my height for the rest of the units now. So I can start actually putting these wall units in. So we're all good. Okay, so as you would have just seen, I've just put all the wall brackets up in one go. And that's for a reason. When I put this corner unit in here, because it's only fixed on the two, that point there and that point over there, it's going to want to pivot forward. So I want to have my next unit in place, ready to go. So I can kind of hold that one up and hook that one on, and that unit will support this. Okay, so what you would have just seen me do is I fit my under counter lights before I fit the units up on the wall. Means I ain't got to rod them in and all that. It just saves a lot of grief. Yeah, my cables are already in place, all ready to go. Sorry, I haven't kept you up to date much. My battery has actually died on Friday, so we're on Monday now. But managed to get these two sections of worktop in. This bit unfortunately was damaged, so that's hopefully coming in this morning, about 10 o'clock. Apparently that's coming in. I'm just about to start cutting out the sink, so I'll bring you along. Time to put the sink in, see if it fits. Done something right. Now it's time for the favourite bit. We've got to punch the tap hole out. If you know, you know.